Most people think money is made in offices, but the real money is sitting inside secret Chinese machines almost nobody talks about. China produces hundreds of thousands of small industrial machines that most people never even hear about. But almost everyone on YouTube talks about the same things: laser cutters, t-shirt printers. In this video, I'll show you 20 machines that almost nobody in America is using. Some cost less than $500. You can start with just a few $100s, or go bigger with machines that produce thousands of items per hour. The margins can be much higher than you expect. The best part? These machines don't need marketing. People already buy the products. That means the demand is already there. And because almost no one knows about them, the competition stays low. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Compressed towel machine. This machine costs between $300 and $800. It takes a normal cotton towel and compresses it until it becomes the size of a coin. Add water, and it expands in seconds into a full towel. Restaurants, airlines, hotels, gyms, spas, hospitals, beauty salons, and events all use these towels. They are also sold to travelers and backpackers as ultra-compact disposable towels. Each towel costs between 3 cents and 8 cents to produce, and they sell for between 25 cents and $1. The machine can compress 1,000 to 5,000 towels per hour. In many countries, nobody produces them locally. You import the machine, produce locally, and dominate a market with very little competition. Number 2. Melamine sponge manufacturing machine. This machine costs between $500 and $2,000. These are the white magic sponges that clean almost anything using only water. Walls, shoes, kitchens, and bathrooms all get spotless. Most sponges sold in Latin America are imported from China with big markups. This machine lets you cut melamine foam blocks into any size and package them with your brand. 1 kilogram of foam costs between $1 and $3, giving 20 to 40 sponges. Each sponge sells for 50 cents to $2. Hardware stores, supermarkets, and online shops all need them. It is a volume business with huge margins, and the demand keeps growing because everyone wants easy cleaning solutions. Number 3. Hot stamping machine, leather and paper. This machine costs $200 to $600. It uses heat to press letters, logos, or designs onto leather, paper, wood, cardboard, or fabric with gold, silver, or colored finishes. You see this on premium business cards, book covers, leather wallets, luxury planners, and gourmet packaging. A business card that costs 10 cents can be charged $1 or more with hot stamping. Personalized planners and leather products increase profit even more. Printing shops, gift stores, stationery stores, and artisan brands are your customers. The machine is simple to operate, adds a premium touch, and lets you charge more for ordinary products. It turns small investments into high-margin services people pay for constantly. Number 4. Spiral and stick incense machine. This machine costs between $400 and $1,000. It makes incense sticks and aromatic spirals automatically. You mix bamboo or charcoal bases with natural fragrances, feed the machine, and ready-to-dry sticks come out. The global incense market is over $2 billion and growing 9% every year. Production for a pack of 20 sticks costs 10 cents to 20 cents, and it sells for $1 to $5. A small machine produces 5,000 to 10,000 sticks per hour. In Latin America, almost all incense is imported from India or China. Using local scents like lavender, rosemary, or copal gives instant differentiation and lets you dominate a market nobody produces locally. Number 5. Reusable mesh bag manufacturing machine. This machine costs $2,000 to $5,000. It makes eco-friendly bags for fruits, vegetables, and groceries using organic cotton or recycled polyester. With plastic bag bans growing, demand for reusable bags is exploding. This machine sews, cuts, and forms bags automatically. Each bag costs 10 cents to 25 cents to make and sells for $1 to $4. You can sell to supermarkets, eco-stores, organic markets, and businesses wanting custom logo bags. It produces 200 to 500 bags per hour, giving you a high-margin, fast-moving product that people need every day. If you're enjoying these ideas, subscribe, hit the like button, comment which machine excites you the most, and share this with anyone who needs a way to earn real income from home. Number 6. Kitchen sponge manufacturing machine. This machine costs $2,000 to $5,000. It makes the most popular cleaning product in the world. Everyone replaces kitchen sponges every week or two, so this is pure mass consumption. The machine cuts and shapes polyurethane foam blocks with a green abrasive layer. It produces 500 to 2,000 sponges per hour. Each sponge costs 2 cents to 5 cents to make, and a pack of 3 sells for 50 cents to $1.50. You can sell through hardware stores, supermarkets, and local shops. It is a product that sells itself because everyone needs it constantly, and you can scale quickly for big profits. Number 7. Woven label manufacturing machine. This machine costs $3,000 to $8,000. Every clothing brand needs woven labels with logos, names, sizes, and materials. Most labels are imported from China because local production is rare. This machine is a mini industrial loom that weaves labels with any design, color, or text. It produces 1,000 to 3,000 labels per hour. Each label costs 1 cent to 5 cents to make and sells for 5 cents to 50 cents depending on complexity. Your customers can be clothing brands, sewing workshops, independent designers, and uniform stores. In a medium city, you can become the exclusive supplier and control the market. Number 8. Rope twisting and manufacturing machine. This machine costs $800 to $3,000. It makes ropes from cotton, jute, hemp, nylon, or polyester in different thicknesses. These ropes are used in agriculture, construction, nautical applications, decoration, macrame, and artisan packaging. Natural cotton ropes for boho decor and macrame are in huge demand, and most are imported. 1 kilogram of cotton rope costs $2 to $5 to make and sells for $8 to $20. Decorative ropes for macrame, used for plant hangers, rugs, and decorations, sell for even higher margins. This machine produces fast and efficiently, letting you sell locally without competitors. Number 9. Bamboo straw and cutlery manufacturing machine. This machine costs $2,000 to $6,000. It makes straws, chopsticks, stirrers, forks, knives, and disposable spoons from bamboo, which grows abundantly in Latin America. The machine cuts, sands, and polishes bamboo sticks into finished products. A bamboo cutlery set costs 3 cents to 8 cents to produce and sells for 25 cents to 75 cents. Restaurants replacing plastics need these products urgently, and most are not made locally. You can sell to restaurants, catering companies, and eco-conscious stores. The demand is high, the margins are strong, and the market is almost untouched. Number 10. Paper napkin manufacturing machine. This machine costs $3,000 to $8,000. Every home, restaurant, cafeteria, and office uses paper napkins daily. The machine takes jumbo tissue rolls, folds, cuts, and packs them into ready-to-sell packages. It produces 200 to 500 packages per hour. A package of 100 napkins costs 5 cents to 10 cents to produce and sells for 25 cents to $1. You can sell through stores, supermarkets, restaurants, and distributors. Custom printed napkins for events or restaurants let you charge double or triple. The product is simple, fast-moving, and profitable. Number 11. Adhesive tape manufacturing machine. This machine costs $3,000 to $10,000. It makes a product used everywhere: offices, warehouses, shipping companies, stores, and homes. This machine takes large jumbo rolls of adhesive tape and converts them into small consumer rolls. It cuts, rolls, and packs them automatically. Production speed reaches 200 to 500 rolls per hour. Each roll costs 8 cents to 15 cents to produce and sells for 50 cents to $1.50. This is a pure volume business. You sell to stationery shops, hardware stores, logistics companies, and distributors. Since tape is used daily and constantly replaced, demand never stops, which creates steady income potential. Number 12. Blister packaging machine. This machine costs $1,000 to $4,000. It creates transparent plastic packaging used for medicine, tools, toys, batteries, and electronics. The machine heats plastic sheets, molds them around products using vacuum pressure, then seals them with printed backing cards. This turns simple products into professional retail-ready items. You charge 20 cents to 50 cents per packaged unit, while production cost stays around 3 cents to 8 cents. Many small businesses cannot sell products in stores because they lack proper packaging. You solve that problem and become their packaging supplier. Customers include handmade sellers, factories, and small manufacturers who need retail-ready presentation. Number 13. Wood pellet production machine. This machine costs $1,000 to $4,000. It turns waste materials like sawdust, wood shavings, rice husks, and farm waste into compact fuel pellets. These pellets are used for heating, cooking, animal bedding, and industrial fuel. The global market is worth over $15 billion and growing fast. Raw material is often free because it comes from waste. Production cost is around 3 cents to 8 cents per kilogram, and selling price reaches 8 cents to 25 cents per kilogram. You take what others throw away and turn it into a sellable product. Customers include farms, factories, and export buyers, especially in energy markets like Europe. Number 14. Essential oil extraction machine. This machine costs between $500 and $3,000. It uses steam distillation to extract oils from plants like lavender, eucalyptus, mint, rosemary, cinnamon, and orange peel. Steam passes through the plant material, captures the oils, then separates them through condensation. The global essential oil market is worth over $14 billion. 1 liter of oil can sell for $15 to $80, depending on type, while production cost can be as low as $2 to $8 per liter when raw plants are local. Many regions waste aromatic plants that could be processed instead. Customers include cosmetic brands, spas, soap makers, and natural product companies. Number 15. Coconut Charcoal Briquette Machine. This machine costs $2,000 to $6,000. It turns coconut shells, which are usually waste, into high-quality charcoal briquettes. These briquettes burn longer, produce less smoke, and are used for hookah, barbecue, and restaurants. Coconut-producing countries have a huge advantage because raw material is cheap or free. Production cost is around 10 cents to 20 cents per kilogram, while selling price reaches $1 to $3 per kilogram in international markets. Demand is strong in the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. This is a classic waste-to-profit business where trash becomes a premium export product with strong margins. Number 16. Paper Straw Manufacturing Machine. This machine costs $3,000 to $8,000. With plastic bans growing worldwide, paper straws are replacing plastic everywhere. This machine takes food-grade paper rolls, forms them into tubes, glues them, and cuts them into finished straws. It produces around 200 to 500 straws per minute, which is massive output. Each straw costs about 0.5 cents to 2 cents to make and sells for 3 cents to 8 cents wholesale. That creates strong volume profit. Restaurants, hotels, fast food chains, and supermarkets are constant buyers. Most countries still import them, so local production gives you a strong advantage with lower cost and faster delivery. Number 17. Paper Cup Manufacturing Machine. This machine costs $5,000 to $15,000. It produces disposable paper cups used in coffee shops, restaurants, events, and fast food chains. The machine forms cups from coated food-grade paper, seals the bottom, and stacks them automatically. It produces around 50 to 100 cups per minute. Each cup costs 2 cents to 5 cents to produce and sells for 5 cents to 15 cents wholesale. Demand is huge, and the global market is worth over $12 billion. Custom-printed cups allow you to charge double because businesses want branding. Customers include cafes, catering companies, and distributors who need constant supply. Number 18. Disposable Glove Manufacturing Machine. This machine costs $5,000 to $15,000. It produces gloves used in restaurants, hospitals, laboratories, beauty salons, and food processing industries. The machine creates polyethylene or nitrile gloves at speeds of 100 to 300 gloves per minute. Each glove costs less than 1 cent to produce. A box of 100 gloves sells for $2 to $5, depending on quality and market. Demand increased massively after the pandemic and stayed high. One key advantage is logistics. Gloves are light, but shipping costs are high, so local production saves up to 40% of total cost. Customers include medical suppliers, cleaning companies, and food businesses. Number 19. Single-Dose Coffee Capsule Machine. This machine costs $2,000 to $6,000. It produces coffee capsules compatible with systems like Nespresso or Keurig. You take locally sourced ground coffee, fill capsules, seal them, and they are ready to sell. The global capsule market is worth over $30 billion, with very high margins. Each capsule costs around 5 cents to 10 cents to produce and sells for 30 cents to 60 cents. Latin American coffee has strong global demand, especially from countries like Colombia, Guatemala, and Peru. You can build a brand around origin-based coffee capsules. Customers include retail stores, online buyers, and coffee distributors looking for premium products. Number 20. Plastic Recycling to 3D Printing Filament Machine. This machine costs $3,000 to $8,000. It turns used PET plastic bottles into filament used for 3D printers. The process crushes plastic, melts it, and extrudes it into filament spools. This creates a full circular system where waste becomes a product again. 1 kilogram of filament sells for $15 to $30, while raw plastic can cost 0 to 10 cents per kilogram. That creates extremely high margins. The 3D printing market is growing fast, around 20% annually, and demand for eco-friendly filament is increasing. Customers include makers, engineers, designers, and 3D printing businesses who constantly need supply. That's the full list of 20 machines, from simple products like sponges, paper goods, and towels, to industrial systems that turn waste into real income streams. What all of these have in common is simple. They produce things people already buy every day. No need to create demand. No need to convince the market. The demand already exists. Most people overlook these opportunities because they focus on trending ideas online instead of real production. But in reality, the strongest businesses are often the simplest ones: local production, daily consumption, and consistent repeat demand. If even one of these machines gave you a new idea, that's the real value of this video. The rest comes down to execution, timing, and choosing the right product for your market. The only difference between people who watch this and people who earn from it is who actually takes action on one idea. Tell me in the comments which machine caught your attention the most and which one you'd actually start with. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more real money-making ideas. And share this with someone who needs it.